One of the things we regularly get asked to do is facilitation. One day, multiple days, workshops. Often it's our content and schedule. Other times it's the client's content and schedule. Either way, we bring some interesting and innovative energy and ideas to these events. We start with Roger's Rules of Engagement that outlines for the participants how to best achieve results. Rules like misery is optional, step up, step back. Movement is necessary, and the more fun you have, the more fun they have. We create power in the room by empowering your participants. We create a hive mind using the wisdom of crowds to lock in learning. We work through your challenges using our engagement systems and tools for maximum results. And running through it all is the power of play. We use play, fun, humor, smiles, and laughter to create the energy to work through the hard parts. We usually work with clients multiple times as facilitators because they come back for more engagement energy, for more playful power, for more outstanding results.